Everyone, in today's lesson, we are going to learn smart addition and subtraction. This is not just calculation practice. We are organizing addition and subtraction into 4 methods. The first method is breaking apart to make friendly numbers. The second method is grouping friendly numbers. The third method is adding or removing parentheses. The fourth method is using a base number. These 4 methods may look different, but the main idea is the same. The key idea is simple. Make friendly numbers. That means turning hard numbers into tens or hundreds, so the calculation becomes easier. Today is not about speed. It is about observing numbers. Once you see the number patterns, many problems become much easier. Now let's start with the first method. The first method is breaking apart to make friendly numbers. Breaking apart means splitting one number into smaller parts. Why do we break it apart? Because some numbers are only a little bit away, from a 10 or 100. At that moment, we take a small part from the other number to fill the missing amount. First, we make a friendly number. Then the rest becomes easy. Let's look at the first example. 97 plus 38. First, check which number is special. 97 is very close to 100. From 97 to 100, we only need 3. So from 38, we split out 3. 38 can be split into 3 plus 35. First, calculate 97 plus 3. 97 plus 3 equals 100. Then add the remaining 35. So the answer is 135. This is breaking apart to make friendly numbers. Break the number apart and make a friendly number first. Now look at the second example. 68 plus 27. First, look at 68. To make 68 become 70, we need 2 more. So from 27, we split out 2. 27 can be split into 2 plus 25. First, calculate 68 plus 2. 68 plus 2 equals 70. Then add the remaining 25. So the answer is 95. When you see a number close to a friendly number, fill the gap first. Then the problem becomes much smoother. The second method is grouping friendly numbers. The key point of this method is finding friendly numbers. What are friendly numbers? 2 numbers that add up to a 10 or 100 are friendly numbers. When you see a long addition problem, you do not have to add in order. We can find friendly numbers first. Put them together first. Let's look at the first example. There are 4 numbers here. If we add them in order, 63 plus 88, then plus 37, then plus 12. It works, but it is not simple enough. Let's find the friendly numbers first. 63 and 37. Make exactly 100. 88 and 12. Also make exactly 100. So this problem is really 100 plus 100. The answer is 200. The numbers did not disappear. But after we organize them, the calculation becomes easier. Let's look at the second example. This problem also has 4 numbers. Find the friendly numbers first. 45 and 55. Add up to 100. 76 and 24. Also add up to 100. So the answer is 100 plus 100. The answer is 200. The key point is this. Find friendly numbers first. After you find them, pair them first. Then calculate. The third method is adding or removing parentheses. This method is important because it is not just a calculation trick. It will also connect to algebra later. Let's start with the simplest idea. Parentheses are like a package. Whatever you want to calculate first, you can put it inside the package. But the sign before the parentheses is very important. If there is a plus sign before the parentheses, the signs inside do not change. If there's a minus sign before the parentheses, when you remove the parentheses, the signs inside must flip. This sentence is very important. When you subtract the whole package, the signs inside must flip. Let's look at the first example. 125 minus 63, then minus 37. Look at the last two numbers, 63 and 37. Make exactly 100, so we can package them together. This means 125 minus the whole package. Inside the package, we have 63 plus 37. Together, they make 100. So the answer is 25. This is the advantage of using parentheses. Put the friendly numbers into one package. Let's look at the second example. 180 minus 72, then minus 28. First, look at the last two numbers. 72 and 28 can make 100. So we package them together. Inside the parentheses, we have 100. So the answer is 80. When you see repeated subtraction, think about whether the numbers can make a friendly number. If they can be packaged, the problem becomes shorter. But remember, if there is a minus sign before the parentheses, when you remove the parentheses, the signs inside must flip. The fourth method is using a base number. This method is useful when many numbers are added together, and these numbers are all close to each other. At that moment, we choose a base number. First, treat each number as the nearby base number. Then adjust what is extra or missing. Let's look at the first example. There are four numbers here: 90, 91, 89, and 93. They are all close to 90. So we use 90 as the base number for four numbers. First, treat each one as 90. 90 times 4 equals 360. Next, check the differences. 90 is already 90, so no adjustment is needed. 91 is 1 more than 90. 89 is 1 less than 90. 93 is 3 more than 90. So altogether, it is 360 plus 1 minus 1 The answer is 363. The key point of the base number method is this. First, choose a number that all numbers are close to, then adjust the extra and missing parts. Let's look at the second example. These four numbers are all close to 100, so we use 100 as the base number for four numbers. First, treat each one as 100. 100 times 4 equals 400. Now check each difference. 101 is 1 more than 100. 98 is 2 less than 100. 102 is 2 more than 100. 99 is 1 less than 100. So altogether, it is 400 plus 1 minus 2. The final answer is still 400. This problem is very neat because the extra parts and missing parts cancel each other out. This is the base number method.